Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove music on InShot. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to open a draft I have just created on my InShot. In this draft, I have added my music to this video, and I'm going to show you how we can remove the music we have added to our video. We can click on this music button or the music option right here, guys, and then we just need to click on the music we want to remove from our video. Click on the music and we can simply click on delete. Okay, and now the music has been removed from my video. We can click on this check mark, and as you can see that there is no music on my video. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove music on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.